Ooh, what is that?
Nicholas, they've had like 3 or 4 cameras in the time we've had one. And like everything. You just take 8 years to figure it out. We got that when we got married 6 years ago. We got it like 6 years ago. What is that?
Is that a poodle? And we put it in the water and it gets big.
Cool.
Look at that. What are those?
I'm in the water.
Toddlers.
Mommy.
What?
Want to show Daddy?
I'm in the
Show Daddy.
water.
Go show Daddy.
Yeah, we'll have to try that.
Show Daddy.
Daddy, come sit. You might need to
little
switch
bit.
your thing and it falls off.
Right,
I have
Sawyer.
looked at new selfies that are tied.
What is that?
Strawberry.
Tom and Larry, it's a meaningful life. Sawyer, go in your bag. Go in your little stocking. Have Dad help you.
You got more.
You have more.
You got more.
I have to watch you guys do them because I gotta make sure. I don't know if I have much different.
No, that's everything.
There's one thing and then I'll know it's.
I think that there
Which
was
one
a
comes to my mouth?
sweater in mine.
Come on up, girlfriend.
Let's put it right here. Good girl.
There's one more thing in there. Honey, there's no sweater in yours. Yours is just a picture.
Should we give? Can you go give this stocking to Daddy? These are Daddy's presents.
Whoa.
That's pretty.
Wow.
Do you want me to fix it for you?
Sawyer.
I want you to
What's
put
that?
Oh.
Pop. Can you put it on my
Whoa.
Beautiful.
Motorcycle, race car, some other car, a race truck,
Bracelet.
a monster jeep, monster truck.
Pictures out. She goes.
Beautiful.
Thought there was a
Read
sweater in there.
that.
Beautiful. It matches.
in here, buddy.
Oh,
Put your hand in.
Nice.
Kendra, would you like to help me open up Remington's?
should you go give this to Daddy? Go give that to Daddy. Can you help him? You
Pull
go
it
help
out.
Daddy. Bring that to Daddy. Help him.
What's it?
A pole.
Ooh, cool.
One more thing.
In there.
Oh, and it's the hat. I
Look
should
at
take the hat off. A truck.
a truck.
I don't know if there's anything else.
Sawyer.
But we can cut off the hat. And put the hat on him.
Is this
What'd you get?
For your family.
I didn't know.
Yeah.